We are walking through the streets of, through the alleyways of Green Hood, my neighborhood. What's going on, guys? It's been like, how many minutes? I have no idea. It's been like a fat minute, which is like 47 minutes exactly, about, of us just walking. And yeah, I don't know how many miles we walked, but it's a good amount.
What's up? How's it going?
Is he trying to like apply to college and they want like a better GPA, this like that?
Internet, I'm in a car that you've never seen before. How's it going?
Oh, internet, what's up?
Welcome to the vlog. Almost.
I swear if that ends up in your vlog.
It's gonna end up in my vlog.
No.
Everything ends up in my vlog.
You just hear, you got Dale Earnhardt Jr., race car driver.
Look at all these stop. Holy shit, it is bright as hell. Vertical what, Dylan?
Okay, so we need to solve for A. So, guess what they give us?
Hey.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture.
There we go.
Take a picture together.
All right, I got it. There. Oh, look at that smile. Ooh, he smiled. Oh. Is that focus? It's sad. super blanket. It's cold. I want a blanket. Hopefully this mic actually works on in this wind. Otherwise, it's gonna sound really bad.
Mazel tov.
Jesus. Nice. It's like 7:35. 7:35 right now. Nobody here, mostly because all the doors are locked. So. Parking garage. Check it out. Welcome to Seattle. A little bit overexposed of Seattle. Yeah. Photos, that stuff. We are doing stuff. Taking photos. Ready for the street meet. Look at this man. All right. I don't know if it's gonna start to lag or not. So yeah, see you in a second. So